have a look at a few Chem 11 topics. Ionic naming, for example. Zinc chloride and lead chloride, well, lead 2 chloride, have very similar formulas, but the names differ because lead 2 is shown with a Roman numeral in the name. Zinc is not because it can only form an ion in one way. Lead can form an ion in several ways. For significant figures, have a look at this volume, 100.00 milliliters. When you write it as liters, please retain those zeros. It's very important. Adding and subtracting have one set of rules, and multiplying and dividing have another for sig figs. Add and subtract just as in math class, but then round to the least precise place value. This is not 0.053 because it's 2 sig figs, it's because we round to the nearest thousandth. For multiplying and dividing, simply count the number of significant figures in each number. There are 2 in this and 3. Take the 2, it's the smaller number, 9.6 centimeters squared. One last thing, for subtracting, you can sometimes lose sig figs. These both have 5 sig figs going in, but the answer has only got 1 sig fig. This might make an effect in multi-step problems. Well, let's just look at one more thing. Let's look at limiting reagents. Limiting reagents calculations show how much is left after 2 chemicals react. What is the concentration of HCl after mixing and reacting, something I should have written, if 2 liters of 3 molar sodium hydroxide is reacted with 4 liters of 5 molar HCl? Write an equation and balance it. This one's 1 to 1. So let's just see how many moles of HCl there are. Concentration times volume gives 20. There's less sodium hydroxide. 3 times 2 is just a mere 6. Those 6 moles of HCl will destroy 6 moles of sodium hydroxide will destroy 6 moles of HCl, leaving 14 moles left over after all is said and done. The volume is just 4 plus 2. The final concentration, 2.3. And that's it. Thanks very much.